Building the lodge was hard work. This mound of sticks is an abandoned beaver's lodge. To build it, the beaver began by constructing a raft of logs. To pile branches and mud onto the raft, eventually the log structure sank to the bottom of the pond. That's pretty cool. Inside the lodge, once the pile of branches rose above the water level, the beavers began chewing a tunnel from underwater. 2 entrances, tunnels up into the center and above water level. They chewed out a large air-filled living area. That's pretty cool.
It is cool.
Like, that's why they're so hard to get rid of.
Oh, yeah.
Like, I don't like bringing this up, but I remember them blowing up beaver
Yeah, they did
houses.
that. They did that all in Alberta
And
too, because they flood.
It
they
took
flood
a lot.
The fields.
Like, it took a lot. I mean, it was like a nuclear explosion.
Yeah.
And now I know why. They're built right to the bottom.
Oh, yeah, they're solid.
The lodge kept the beavers warm during the winter. The underwater entrance allowed them to stay hidden under the ice, safe from predators for food. They have nearby storage of branches also under the ice. Yeah, cool.
There's tons over here.
Oh, look at
They're
this.
everywhere.
Yeah, there's lots of them over here. I think we got one there. We got one there. That one's all decked out.
Yeah.
Looks like it's got like topsoil siding on it.
And it's got trees sticking out the top.
Yeah. Christmas tree.
Yeah. Yeah, someone should light it up.
Remember in school you would come out to these places and you would get a sample and then you would take it home or take it back to school and put it under the microscope and there'd be all these things. Creature feature, frogs. The green frog, the pickerel frog. He's kind of cool.
Mink and spring peeper.
Look at this one. American bullfrog.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
That's pretty cool. I like this one. He's got like a nice, I see that on a guitar, right?
Yeah, that is pretty.
Okay, so we will pass these people. Okay. Hi. Hello. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty cool there. I get kind of excited about that song that's playing over and over in my head.
Is it?
Yeah. There's an animal trail right there.